Welcome back. In this video, we'll be focusing on how to scale and manage your business. You'll also be looking at how to gain exceptional levels of income in the long run continuously. Excellent businesses have an edge which allows them to get ahead of the race. This advantage is called timing. Timing is the ability to select the precise moment for doing something for optimum effect. In this case, timing is the ability to gauge how much time you or your team need to get certain things done. You'll come to a stage where your schedule has reached its maximum capacity and you'll need to balance your time between looking for new business versus having quality time with the people who matter to you. For example, if you have a new project which has a very set fixed deadline, how do you manage the allocation of work among your team? Do you simply delegate all of the work using a top-down method? Or do you take a really good look at the work required for the project and instead adjust the work needed and shave off things that don't need to be done? At this stage, you'll have gained some insights on how to generate new leads and manage existing clients. Instead of engaging in a one-man show, a better approach will be to set up a team to execute delivery while you focus on generating sales, marketing, and generating new leads, pitching, and networking. To do that, you need to be working on your business rather than in your business.